Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who values a good night's rest, but wishes your eye area could feel the same way, rejuvenated and refreshed, then you might want to stick around for this review. We're talking about the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Lift Plus Sculpt, an eye cream designed to do more than just hydrate. With a blend of 2 types of hyaluronic acid and hexapeptide-8, this product promises to target under-eye puffiness, fine lines, and sagging, giving your eyes that bright and lifted appearance. This cream comes in a sleek 0.5 Fellots bottle, and while it's compact, Estee Lauder has packed it with some powerful ingredients. The 2HA Volume Filler promises to deeply hydrate while helping to boost volume, while Hexapeptide-8 works on smoothing the skin, potentially reducing the appearance of those fine lines. The formula is designed to help sculpt the delicate skin around the eyes, offering a more lifted, firmer look with continued use. Now, let's get into my real-life testing of the product. I've been incorporating this into my evening skincare routine for the last few weeks, and here's what I've experienced. The cream has a smooth, lightweight texture that feels almost like a gel, rich without being heavy. I applied it after my usual nighttime routine and massaged it gently around my eyes. The formula absorbed quickly, which I really appreciated because I didn't want to wait around for it to settle in. Over the course of using it, I've noticed a slight reduction in puffiness around my eyes, especially in the mornings when I tend to have a bit of swelling. As for fine lines, while it's not a miracle worker, I've seen a softening effect, which I wasn't expecting in such a short time. The skin around my eyes feels more plump and hydrated, and there's definitely a lifted feeling in the mornings, which is a nice bonus. When we talk about the pros and cons, there's a lot to appreciate here. First, the texture and hydration are spot on for sensitive under eye areas. The ingredients also seem well chosen for this delicate skin, combining both hydration and skin smoothing elements. On the downside, the price might be a sticking point for some. It's on the higher end, and while I think it's effective, I'd only recommend it if you're really looking for a product that targets multiple concerns around the eyes, especially if puffiness and a lifted effect are priorities for you. Speaking of value, you do pay a premium for this formula, but considering the performance, I think it's justified. If you're looking for immediate hydration and a firmer feel, it delivers. However, if your main concern is just dryness or puffiness, there are other more affordable eye creams that might offer a similar result. When it comes to build quality, Estee Lauder's packaging is always top-notch, and this product is no exception. The bottle is small and easy to store, but don't let the size fool you. It lasts longer than you'd expect because a little goes a long way. I didn't personally need to reach out to customer support for this product, but Estee Lauder has a solid reputation for responsive and helpful service, which always adds a sense of security when purchasing higher-end skincare. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, a few budget-friendly eye creams out there work on similar issues. Look into something like Olay's Eye Transforming Cream, which also focuses on firming and hydrating without the hefty price tag. That said, if you want the luxury experience and are ready to invest in a comprehensive eye cream, Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair won't disappoint. So my final verdict? If you're serious about addressing multiple eye concerns, especially puffiness, fine lines, and a sagging appearance, this eye cream might be a solid addition to your routine. It performs well, offers luxurious hydration, and gives that sculpted, lifted effect. However, if budget is a concern, you might want to explore more affordable options. Mid-review call to action. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find it too. Your support helps us bring honest, real reviews like this to you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to drop a comment if you've tried the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Lift Plus Sculpt. We'd love to hear your thoughts on how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.